Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do this because I literally have no idea, but we're going to try and do the negative space makeup and putting it down a primer because I don't know where I'm gonna start, honestly, and see what we get. Okay, to start off with, yes, you see it right, I'm going into the BH Cosmetics palette. Now I want to start off with like a black in my inner corner, so I guess that's what we're gonna do. This is going to be very backwards. Okay, I gotta pick a side. Whew. Okay. Now I'm going to want to use a lighter color like that. These blues are the ones that I had trouble with before, so we'll see how that works. And then I want to go darker. And then black again. I literally have no idea. I look like a crazy person. I think what I'm going to do is take some of my concealer. You know what? That probably would work better. We'll see how this does. The reason why I'm doing this side first is because I don't even want to attempt the other side if this side isn't going to come out the way I want it to. So we're going to do this side first. And if I like it enough, then we will move on and do the other side. Not bad for working with what I have, although it looks super weird to me. Okay, now I'm gonna try and do this the only way I'm thinking is going to work. So what I'm gonna do is lay down like concealer, because I'm not sure how else this will be able to work. I don't see it coming out any other way. Okay, now I'm gonna take this blue and I'm just gonna it's actually not turning out too bad. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to go little section by little section so that way our face doesn't dry out before we lay the product down, because so far that is working. Yeah, that's the only reason I'm doing this side first. I really don't want to waste my time doing the glam side if this side's not going to turn out, you know? So we're going to try this first. Again, this is just to help the eyeshadow stick, because without it there wouldn't be much for it to grip to, so I don't think we'd get as good of a color if I didn't. I don't know if I want to do it all the way down my neck, just because, I don't know. Should I do it all the way down my neck? Yeah. I just used concealer to make my face tacky, and then I applied the shadow over top of it because it would stick to the concealer, and it's working pretty good so far. It could stand to be a little bit more gray, but let's see what we can do here. Okay, we're gonna go in with this brush and take a black. Now, I don't use like Facetune or anything, so anything that I do when I post pictures on my Instagram and stuff, like, you're getting the full me. There's no like super edited photo. I honestly don't know how to Facetune, so if I did, it would probably make my pictures look a little bit better. I just don't know how, so. I'm not gonna lie, this BH is just kind of picking up everywhere. Pick up the way I need it to. I might need a different white from a different palette, like a better white. Do I have a better white? I need a white. I need a good white. I mean, that is a good white, but it's shimmery and I need like a matte. I'm not sure how great this is turning out. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying. Okay, guys. Like, that's where I'm at so far. I'm trying. I'm not sure how well I'm doing, but I'm trying. When you're trying to be a part of a viral trend, and you can't because your makeup sucks. I'm gonna try to do the other side and then touch up wherever I need to after. I got foundation on my contacts, so that sucks, but I've gotten this far, and like, I know this isn't the greatest because the black doesn't want to stay down, and then it just looks strange. This is just a primer actually, but I have it, so we're gonna use it. Does it look completely ridiculous? Should I have done my neck? We'll try. Hold on, I've got this extra stuff here, so let's see. since I have it. Also, the blue on my eyes is like fading away. See guys, that's the problem I was having before with the shadows. You can really tell when you've got all this black and nothing wants to stay. Alright guys, that is it. Hopefully it looks good. If it doesn't, I'm so sorry, but if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out one of my other videos down below because there's plenty of content for you. And now I've added playlists so you can find stuff even easier. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.